Valiant is a rapist. Remember me, I tell her that.
Me, I tell her, a Popcaan make you another for a rape charge.
Why? People, they wanna sticky. They wanna sticky bad. As you can see from the clip, that was recorded dancehall artist Teebone making some pretty bold statements about recording artist Valiant, saying that Valiant is so-called a Grape, and that him thief, him style them, and that that if it wasn't for Popcaan, that is Valiant would be facing Grape charge right now. So man, they want a very sticky. They want a sticky situation. I do have the rest of the live, rest of the footage from the live. So you can get some more details of what Teebone was saying, and he's also saying that enough people informing that Valiant been stealing his flow and his style. Even dancehall artist Jambisco even got brought up in the conversation. You know what I'm saying? Really crazy situation, really something that, we don't want to hear about no dancehall, no one in general. You know what I'm saying? It's very crazy and heinous accusations. But we're going to play the video for you so you can see what dancehall artist Teebone was saying. But before we jump into that, gang, we just want to take this time to, to give prayers to dancehall artist Jahshii. Yeah, earlier today, dancehall artist Jahshii posted this photo to his Instagram, where he stated that, "Be strong and courageous, do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you or forsake you." Prayers. Yes, guys, he posted that picture on IG with that caption, with that quote, and he didn't give much details as to what his situation is, but it seems like he's going through a rough time right now. So we just want to send prayers and our thoughts to dancehall artist Jahshii. Okay, yeah, gang. Now moving along. As I said, we're gonna play a clip of what's going on between Teebone and dancehall artist Valiant. Crazy situation, gang. We are now going to hold up the clip much longer. Take a look.
Different people, cause when them a sing, I say, what kind of car I sing about? Cause some do my thing, I think about something different. I'm gonna say, boof, and sing about this damn crown. How much man I sing about crown, and it's like I give them this flowers over this side, and I say, crown is not, brother, I'm tired down, bro. I'm tired down, bro. I'm tired down for true. Especially you to Valiant, cause you a do it, brother. You a do it, bro. You like you sit down over there, so, and say, alright, well, drain off piece of bone energy. Everything in drop what teeth sitting out there. Brother, me no rate you. You see me on road and try to. Cause remember, I don't just this Instagram thing, I'm not do this, Remember, good in the youth. I'm not care which police I want pirate if you want to see this and say this, boy. You are rapist. Me not like your youth. Me not like your brother. Me I tell you the truth. Me avoid it 1 million times, brother. Till me can't avoid it no more. Me can't avoid it no more, youth. So I'm going to see if when that the Baccarat song they drop, you better go do over a new tune. Because most even that the Baccarat song they drop, if my people them are the people them now go tell on the straight, say it's my song that and my style that. You know a big artist, you know a boss, and one no need for use my style then, brother.
Brother, we'll find our next call one, bro. We'll find our next call one, bro. I'm tired of you, bro. Believe, bro, as a dog, a bone I tell you to, bro. Bone I tell you. Me, Teebone I tell you, little boy. Brother, I sleep, just come from this fucking show here. And here the man them wake me up and say, DJ, here you again. I say, what? Baccarat, Briscoe called me and I said, DJ, listen here. And then you start, listen, I say, yeah. Man, I say, bones, the man, I take everything where you sing. And uno, more be a people, uno want to give them flowers over on the DJ. Me not rate some boy, bro. Valiant is a rapist. Remember me, I tell her that.
Me, I tell you, a Popcaan make you another for a rape charge. If you give thanks to your thing, them can see when you do what you do it like say a style, I try style people. Me can't style a pussy. Me, Teebone, we style bro. Play about that song, then. Remember me tell her that, bro. Petrified. Alright, I'll show you. You know, I say Teebone, they say paying for choo-choo. But me just avoid that, you see me? I go so boof and say petrified. Me see a man sing over back petrified. Me not say nothing about him. I say alright, me I influence a lot of people. But at this end of this day, me I no link pussy. Me and no link up to this day. You never say bones rare. Boof again, me go crown. Me hear you they say you make crown the sunroof and run and the AC cool like Marta water and where you want to sit. Me no say nothing. Cause me I say you them a try and you get a break. You no need for go back go say petrified, brother. You no need for go back. Yeah. You no need for go back in my style, my bro. Me I tell you. In my style, man, you go on like a joke. If I me I chat, you can't say I me attack. But if you don't want to check his stats
and check your rights and everything and just look into it for you, see who for say petrified, who for sing this f***ing crown. Yeah? And if you don't want to take him, remember I say me have my own bunks. Listen, if you don't hear a song say them have own bunks. I avoid them thing they regular. Me have my own bunks. Me hear that back in a song, bro, and me not really say nothing, bro. You see me I say? Me not say nothing, bro.
So when me go some booth, and go some room, and say this baccarat where nobody no know an art well. You no run, God.
Art well, and if you store, me can't tell you nothing no go up there. I don't have to buy or not to buy for a father, but if me then say
art well, you no feel like you no go there go jail. Then I'll sing baccarat, brother. Then I gotta say baccarat, bro. Me no rate it for that, bro. Me no rate it from me here, so you're from me here, so you're me no like you, no youth. Yeah, me I tell you. Brother, come out of my style, bro. Come out of my style, youth. Me I tell you for true, youth. Me no rate it, youth. So man, you know, who are comment and say so, you know, I tell you that, you know, now, bro. Remember me telling you that, you know. Bro, me teach them this baccarat, and I can't take that. Remember that me tell you that, bro. You, if you come out of my style, bro. Come out of my style, bro. You take set by one, Moby have a Moby thing too. But when a man sing back the exact line and the exact thing, you say, bro, that come out of my style, youth. Come out of my style, my friend. And if we could have avoided 1,000,000 times, avoid it enough. I not avoid it again, bro. You cannot avoid it again. I'm tired of your youth. Believe me, I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you. I know you alone, but you do it more than one time. You do it more than one time, brother. It annoy me, it annoy me. I don't like you again, I don't rate you. It annoy me. You understand?
Yes, as you can see, gang, some pretty crazy accusations have been made by dancehall artist Teebone against dancehall artist Valiant, and he been saying that it's been going a little ongoing, you know, thing brewing low key underground. You know, the Harlem been stealing a lot of his style, his lyrics. You know what I'm saying, and some copying some of his songs. People been alerting him for a while, but he's just been ignoring, saying, yo, he inspire people, and you know, sometimes people get inspired and you know they do things similar, but him and say, yo, you know that Valiant get him big bossa now. You see, you know, need for copy him style and I take him flows and him, you know what I'm saying? And he without even giving so much as a shout out. You see me, and a lot of people have been looking at because you know Valiant, some people have been saying been known to steal artists as far as him and with the whole thing from him and Jamal, where you know the whole Duns conflict. But yeah, guys, some pretty crazy situation going on, gang. Let me know what your thought is about the situation, and if you know you really think like something like that go through, if you feel like say your Valiant get caught up in something like that and Popcaan really bail him out and all that good stuff, man, you know what I'm saying? But we don't want you nothing like that happen to anyone or anybody out there doing stuff like this, you see me? So it's a really sad situation. Hope none of it's true, but then again we don't want Teebone going out and spreading any lies about someone, so we don't know, you see me? I say we just there watch and see, so we're gonna stay close, keep a close eye on this, and you know, see how the situation unfolds, gang. So let me know what your thoughts and concerns in the comment section. You don't know, till next time we watch Jambisco there on the banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love, guys. I'm out.
Play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.